Hello everyone. So in today's video we will convert a PDF file into the text file so that we can manipulate it and information uh, use the information to extract important knowledge from it. So here we have the code. So for this script you need some packages. Here we have string.io and the most important is the PDF miner. For PDF miner you have to download it. Just search PDF miner online and here you get the link, a GitHub link, that is this link here. You can see this link here, and through this link you will learn how to install PDF Miner. Just go through this and just install it into your system first, and then after installing, just uh, you will after extracting this the folder, you will get a folder that is PDF Miner. Just place it into your project and just import it here. So for this script, you need PDF Miner. That is a most important thing for this script, to convert PDF to the text format. Then you need to import OS. Then all you have to do is to run this script. Let me run it for you. First, let me show you where our PDF is. So we have PDF downloaded in this folder. So as you can see here, we have our folder about. So this is home slash download slash PDF. So we have two PDF here, and we will convert these PDF into text file so that we can extract information from them and manipulate it. So here we will save it into the same folder. Okay. So let's run this code and see whether our text file is created or not. So just see here, our text file is created, and this is our PDF format. Initially this we have, and after executing the script we will get this txt file. Okay, so for the second PDF also we will get this as our txt file. So why we are converting it into txt, the main reason behind it is we have a PDF and it is difficult for us to manipulate this data. So what we do is we will convert it into our text, and then we can easily manipulate it, as you can see, and we will save it into any other file. Okay, so this is the main reason why we are changing this format to a txt format and accessing the data from the PDF format. So our execution is done now. Let's go through this code so that you can understand and you can change it according to your comfort. So first we will call the convert multiple function, in which we will send the PDF directory and text directory path. So here we have the PDF directory and text directory path. So what it does first is it will first access the directory using OS, the package that we import about. Using this package, it will first access the directory, that is PDF directory, and then it will check whether the document in this directory is .pdf or not. For that, we simply split this, the PDF that we get here, we just split it, and we are using last index. We check whether it is a PDF format or not. Then using convert function above, here we have the convert function. We will convert our PDF file, this file that we access here, to a text document, and we will save it into our text variable. Later on we will convert it into a text document. We will just assign a variable with the name of a file, and then we will open it and just write the text whatever we get here into our text file. So using this text.write, we will save our text file into a text format here. So this file we have created, and this is our convert function. So this will convert our PDF to the text format and return us text data type. So just go through this code, you will understand better. And most important, you have to download the PDF miner for this script to run. Okay, This is all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.